Right, I'm here at Tim. Right, have you ever seen one of these before? It's a VHS player.
I think, but it's been years and years.
So, got it off eBay just as a bit of a whim. It does power up. Plug it in and see what it...
I can't even imagine how bad it's got to be inside.
Power.
Oh, yeah.
There's a tape in there and then it just shuts off.
Man, it doesn't know motors run or anything. Yeah, I don't know.
Boss.
Yeah, without even the motor starting up or anything. Oh, geez, wires are all chewed.
Oh, yeah.
I touched that right there.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Could that be... Is that removable? No, it's not.
No, because it's like a molded thing.
Yeah. I thought it was the usual 2-pin thing.
Yeah, if the motor started up, a lot of times the belts would just be slipping and stuff, but even the motors don't... It makes no noise, doesn't do anything. It may have like dead motors in it. I mean, it could be anything.
Yeah. Well, the light comes on.
Yeah, that comes up.
Some of his VHS tapes in there. A battery. Yeah. God damn, I mean, it's extensive, isn't it? It's like...
Yeah, that's a program, all the channels and the recording program recording.
Yeah, it's legit in terms of not just a jukebox.
Mitsubishi hasn't even made these in like 30 years. Jeez.
Oh, God, it's more than that, probably.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was going to stay out for a second.
No.
Usually Mitsubishi's had dates on them. 1984.
1984, so it's 40 years old.
40 years old.
Yeah, look at that. 1984. Damn. Yeah, it's a museum piece.
Yeah, wouldn't even be able to get, definitely not any parts, but most likely not even a schematic or anything for it. But yeah, I would think when you hit the button, if the motors were working, you'd at least hear the motor, you know, like the rewind motor, something starting.
Yeah.
So like it would be able to eject.
Yeah. Just a lost cause.
Yeah, I can't even imagine.
Tim's
Plus
like,
the cord on the back.
Fuck that. Yeah. Anyway. Well.
Yeah, good museum piece. That's about
it is, yeah. All right, then, man.
Okay.